Question. What is the major source of air pollution? Question. Global warming is caused by greenhouse effect. Justify. Question. There is a hole in the ozone layer. What do you understand? Question. Enlist the causes of deforestation. Or question. What are the causes of deforestation? Question. Define endangered species. Question. Explain the concept of primary productivity. Question. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Question. Give diagrammatic presentation of pyramid of Num. Question. Explain carbon cycle. Question. What is mean by ecological succession? Question. Define commensalism. Question. Define parasitism, and give any two types with suitable example of each. Question. Name the interaction in 1. Lichen. 2. Protozoan living in the digestive tract of a flea living on a dog. Question. Write a note on desert adaptation. Question. Define the term natality. Question. What is palindrome in DNA? Question. Describe the steps of PCR technique. Question. Enlist the steps involved in our DNA technology. Question. What are transgenic plants? Explain with any two example. Question. What are the effect of biotechnology with relation to human health? Question. Write a short note on mutational breeding. Question. What is tissue culture? Question. Describe the methodology of tissue. Question. Define biofertilizers. Give two types of fungal biofertilizers. Question. Name the viral diseases in poultry animals. Question. Write a short note on lac culture. Question. Describe the structure of an antibody. Question. Enlist the various types of cancer. Question. Give the symptoms of typhoid fever and draw a label diagram of its causal organism. Question. What is innate immunity? Question. Explain different barriers of innate immunity system. Question. Give the causative agent, mode of transmission, and symptoms of typhoid. Question. Describe TS of spinal cord in man with a neat and label diagram. Question. Describe the structure of cerebrum. Add a note on its function. Question. With the help of a neat and label diagram, describe the anatomy human eye. Explain the mechanism of vision. Question. Name the disorder caused by undersecretion of thyroxine in children. Question. Distinguish between hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Question. Describe 5 types of leukocytes with the help of diagrams. Add a note on their functions. Question. Describe the various types of valves present in human heart. Question. With the help of a suitable diagram, describe the conducting system of human heart. Question. Describe hypertension. Add a note on angina pectoris. Question. Sketch and label TS of human artery. Question. Explain the meristematic growth. Question. Explain different phases of growth curve. Question. Give practical applications of cytokinins. Question. Write the practical application of gibberellins. Question. Explain in brief the process of nitrogen fixation by rhizobium. Question. Write a note on root preserve theory. Question. Define transpiration. Explain its types. Question. Give significance of transpiration. Question. Draw a well-labeled diagram of TS of root, showing velar movement. Question. Explain apoplastic and symplastic movement of water absorption. Question. Describe the concept of survival of the fittest. Question. Give any 2 factors responsible for genetic variation. Question. Define reproductive isolation and explain 2 types of reproductive isolation. Question. Define adaptive radiation. Question. Give reason and chenopteras called connecting link between reptiles and birds. Question. Describe the experiment of Hershey and Chase to prove that DNA is the genetic material. Question. With the help of a suitable diagram, describe the structure of a nucleosome. Question. Draw a label diagram showing the mechanism of DNA replication. Question. Given the central dogma of protein synthesis, explain the process of translation. Question. Give the names and functions of enzymes involved in lactose metabolism in E. coli? Question. Explain dihybrid cress with suitable example. Question. Explain the law of independent assortment with a question. Why the ratio in pleiotropy is 2:17. Explain it with example. Question. Which phenomenon gives 2:1 ratio instead of 3:1 ratio? Question. Describe with graphical representation. Question. Satyam is a colorblind boy. His mother has normal vision, but his maternal grandfather is colorblind. His father and maternal grandmother have normal vision. Explain the pattern of inheritance with is a suitable chart. Question. Draw a neat label diagram of TS of testis. Question. Give a significance of fertilization. Question. Describe the phases of menstrual cycle. Question. Give the name and functions of A and B from the diagram given below. Question. Explain various mechanical methods of birth control. Question. What is microsporogenesis? Question. With the help of a neat and labeled diagram, describe the development of gametophyte of angiosperms. Question. Differentiate between anemophily and entomophily. Question. What is double fertilization? Describe the process in brief. Question. Name the parts W, X, Y and Z form the following figure.